Hello everyone, my name is Praveen. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Java Fun. Today we're going to talk about palindrome. What is palindrome? What is palindrome number? What is palindrome string? And how to find it out whether the given string is a palindrome or not in Java programming language. How to write an algorithm, how to write a program to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. This is again a frequently asked programming question. Do get asked for Java programming interviews. So if you are coming to my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. I have created the whole series of Java programming language questions. You can go through it if you are preparing for a Java programming interview, if you are learning the Java for the first time, or if you find it out how Java works, what are the different concepts in Java. This playlist is very much important for you. So without spending much time, let's find it out what exactly is a palindrome. According to Wikipedia definition, palindrome is a word, a number or a string or a phrase where when it reads from forward to backward or backward to forward, it reads the same. It means even if you reverse the number or a string, it reads the same. So few of the examples of palindrome numbers are 121, 10, 801. So if I read it from backward itself, like from right hand side to left hand side, or from left to right, it is going to read the same. So these are the palindrome numbers, and below are some of the examples of a palindrome strings. So there is a mistake, it's not ABC but it will be A. Okay, so below are the examples of palindrome strings. So the string ABA, if I read it backward, it will gonna read the same, ABA. Another example is madam, MADAM. If I read it from the backwards again, it will be MADAM. Okay, so these are some of the examples of palindrome strings. So if I want to write a program to check if a given string is palindrome or not, I need to basically reverse the string, and then I need to compare the original string and the reverse string to find it out whether both the strings are equal or not. Okay, so let's find it out how we can reverse a string in Java. And if you want to find out how to check whether the given number is palindrome or not, you can see a link into the description box, and I have created another video or a tutorial for it. Please go through it. So in this lecture we'll find out how to check whether the given number or given string is palindrome or not. So I'll move to my IntelliJ IDEA, and let's basically go in a presentation mode. Okay, so I'll create one main method, and I'll get the string as an input, string or a word as an input from user. And for this scanner utility, we need to give a standard input stream as a constructor parameter so that it can start reading from a console inputs. Okay, I'll ask user to input a string. Please input a string, and we'll store it in a original string object. Okay, I would say scanner dot next. So this will give me the original. Okay, so this is my original string. Now so this is my string, and I want to reverse this particular string. So if you have a little bit of experience with Java, you may know that every string is basically nothing but a character array in Java. Okay, so there are library functions available to reverse the string, but if you are giving a programming interview, most probably you will be asked not to use any of the inbuilt library functions. So we need to reverse the string without using any library functions. So what we will do is we'll use the inbuilt character array within the string. So every string is basically nothing but a combination of characters, and string is backed by a character array internally. So to reverse the string, we need to reverse the position of characters into this character array. So what we will do is we will iterate over this array from backward, and we'll create another representation of this string which will be exactly reverse in order. So what we will do is we'll first get the character array. So what we say is original char array, I would say, and we will do is we'll get a character array for a string. Now let's loop through it from backward and try to get one character at a time from array and then concat it to create a reverse string. So what we'll do is we'll loop on the character array. I'll get an index called as I. So this will be initialized to the original character array dot length, and I say length -1 because array is always 0 index best. So its last index will always be the length -1. I is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0, and I minus minus. So we are running a decrementing array. So now on each loop we will get the last index of an array, and then we'll try to basically create another string by using a concat, or you can use a string buffer as well. So I'll use a string buffer. I'll initialize it, and every loop I'll basically concat it. So I say buffer dot append. So this will give me one character at a time as original char array dot original char array of I. So this will give me one character at a time. At the end of the loop, I'll basically print my reverse string. Reverse string is buffer dot toString. Now to find out whether it is a palindrome or not, we need to do a comparison between these two strings. Is string palindrome? We'll run a comparison. I would say original string dot equals buffer dot toString. So this will tell us whether the reverse string is exactly similar to the given string or not. So let's run this program and find it out whether it is working or not. So I'll give an input as, let's say, ABA. Okay, reverse string is again ABA and this string is palindrome. So this program is working fine. Let's run it one more time with another input, madam. Again, reverse is madam, palindrome true. Now let's run it with something which is not a palindrome. I say ABC, its reverse should be CBA, and this is not a palindrome. So the program is working exactly as expected, and this will be a simple program to check whether the given program is palindrome or not. Okay, now if you are coming to my channel for the first time, again do like, share and subscribe. Please do press the notification icon. I have created the whole series of Java programming language questions. Please go through it and have fun with Java Fun. Thank you very much.